pattern to be useful. We need to first unify the structure or relationship within the pattern. Once the pattern is undefined, it can be applied in the various areas, such as problem solving, mathematical reasoning, prediction, and even in real-world application, like scheduling, finance, etc. Example, number patterns. Arithmetic sequence. Pattern 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Undivide the pattern. This is an arithmetic sequence where each number increased by 3 common different. Usefulness. This pattern could be used to predict future numbers or events that follow to a regular consistent increase. Demonstrate of usefulness. Predict the next term. If you need the 8th term, since the difference is 3 add to the last term 17, so that 8th term is 20. Solution is 17 plus 3 equal to 20. So that 8th term is 20 term. General formula for any term. Formula for an arithmetic sequence is where is the first term, second is a common difference, third and is the term number. Solution. To find the 10th term, we substitute n equal 10 in the formula. Term equal 2 plus parenthesis 10 minus 1 parenthesis times 3. 10 term equal 2 plus 9 times 3. 10 term equal 2 plus 27. 10 term equal 29. Therefore, the 10th term in the sequence is 2, 5, 8, 11 is 29. The numbers in the Fibonacci sequence can represent a wide variety of the things in the nature, mathematics, and human-made system. Let's demonstrate a few key examples. Biological growth. The Fibonacci sequence is often in natural growth patterns, particularly in plants and animals. Example, rabbit population growth. Imagine a pair of rabbits that can reproduce after reaching 1 month of age, and each pair produce another pair every month. Start with 1 pair of rabbit each month. Follow the Fibonacci sequence. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. The population grow by the sum of the last 2 months. 1 month equal 1 pair, 2 month equal 1 pair, 3 month equal 2 pairs, 4 month equal 3 pairs, 5 month equal 5 pairs.